Oh, hi guys. As you were wondering what I was eating, a brand in the Philippines, and I live in the Philippines, so I get this every day. Piatos, cheesy thing. Just I have eaten all, but you can take a look. Just look. Wow, cookies. They're crunchy. Dip the cheese in your hands for the life. Save your sins in your fingers for the last. It's yummy. Mm. Okay, anyways, bye. Whoa, look at this.